Hello, Math Station 5. Here is your How Do I Complete This Station video. So the first thing everyone needs to do is go to Google Classroom and click on Classwork. Once you're there, find the heading that says Math Stations and click on Unit 3 Math Stations. So since this is Station 5, click Station 5. The team captain will read the directions. The team captain will also share their screen. To play this video, either your team captain will share their screen and show it, or each of you will click on the link and view it. So let me show you what you're doing in this station. This is your Christmas candy comparisons. You're going to compare the numbers shown on the pieces of candy by dragging and dropping the correct comparison symbol, the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. It is probably helpful if you use a whiteboard or a piece of paper so that you can find the biggest number and circle it. You can also use on Google Classroom at the very top the virtual place value chart to help you. So let me show you how you'll complete this assignment. So here are your less than, greater than, and equal to sign. And here are 4 cards. I believe there's 4 cards on each side. So you're going to look and you're going to read the decimal. 75 hundredths and 80 hundredths. So I start with the tenths. I've got a 7 and I've got an 8. Well, the 8 tenths is bigger. So I'm going to make sure that I choose the one that eats the biggest number. So I'm going to make sure I say it correctly. 75 hundredths is less than 80 hundredths. So you will continue for each of these on this slide, this slide, this slide, and this slide. When you're done, you're going to complete your Station 5 exit ticket. Let me change that right there. So you're going to type in your level of understanding. Were you a level 1, a level 2, a level 3, or a level 4? Tell me what you mastered based on this math station. Nothing else, just this math station. What have you mastered? And what do you still need help with based on just this math station? So when you are done and you completed that exit ticket, which is on slide 7, your team captain, who is still sharing their screen, is going to remind you how to turn it in, and everyone will turn it in so you get credit. Then you will copy and paste this Flipgrid right here. And you will join with Google, select your PSUSD 131 number, and you're going to complete a Flipgrid telling me, number 1, what station you were at and what did you learn at that station. Don't forget that your team captain will be making sure that you follow the expectation that your camera is on at all times, that you are participating at all times, that you open and complete the assignment with your team, that you're responsible and respectful to all teammates, that you use video and chat appropriately, you ask your team captain if you need help or have questions, and you never leave the break room for any reason. At the end of this math station, your team captain will send me a chat to tell me who has met these expectations, and you will be rewarded with dojo points if you have met these expectations. Please be a responsible, respectful, safe, and kind student. Please make sure that your camera is on and that you're participating. Have fun and learn a lot. Work together.